it's all about education. It is a basic thing. Yageranga abana bone bakungaini esengencho education is given a priority. Yageranga baba bangaini mono na inde kinege ntekia. So tiganda nda gwakire sabu abatindi muye sabu. Utatigarende tigante megaiga. Ega ntuke romonta kore amatemu at 16. Esababu ni kwanyoranga ochire school kabwato sene myaka 3 unatwata yabara bangaini. Kwarere. Oyenda eri school osene myaka 2. Ebere yoka. Ebwento ko bali tsali ange 3 iga. Igobono ebere abwate myaka 3. Go comment ebere lyako ande school go soyamo kwanyoranga yabere renga 5. Yabere 5. 5 go commenta 8 from class 1 to 8. Yabere renga yugit.
Matilda na wala tokonya no mundo wesabu.
Matilda no mundo wesabu. I think yabere 13. 13 go commenta eneria high school. Yachire 17. Aya. Egento abana bara basoma abaiga bono iga basoma myaka 3 during the corona period. Kwarere. That's why you see a big number of them bagokora at 16. Esengencho asenare myaka nere during corona asenare tu atantana kidogo abantu bara basoma myaka 3. So meaning that one favors them go gokora at 16 the KCSE. Lakini literally I want to agree with what Matilda ateba. Nga ena mbengia timayo senjulo se Matilda ena mbengia yokora matemu it's at 19. Because onyo mwana ochire o spend preschool. You had 3 good years. I spend 8 years as a primary. Amanya ko enderiene okonyoranga ego at 19. Are you saying that is the correct age? Omwana wente okora matemu eliye manyire na ande araske guchia as a next step. Nakige ko garo konyoranga when we are having omwana okwenda at 16 at campus. In fact tari ajielewe vizuri. Stili yakoba umwana mama wose tata. Esengenche myake ya atakoretiki terimia. Lakini omontore 19 ochire school college at 20. Already nabwate kebande nande that person ekebongo matuno kunya ukino bongo bwana barungu koraki ngonya go advance pore. So nabonda atebe igantuke ko kerega kurende onye it's good umwana karo mungaini at 16 tiga ende school ande campus yari lakini under the watch of omwibori closeness that closeness.
Mtoto birenga abana babako nyobaya kusena early pregnancies abana bagana ko kwanchi kwa barabara bagani. Do you encourage early pregnancies?
Thank you so much. Sasa kama the illegal child naweza kumewaguza.
Sasa nataka unielewe, I have sisters. Yeah, and I must be in support of these sisters of mine, just like you are my colleagues. Again, do not have getting abana as a result of early pregnancies. At all, I don't encourage early pregnancies. Lakini baachire out of that. Lakini mwancho murire, I condemn early pregnancies.
Thank you so much. Tikatos kabasio ase studio ya kabere tonyarako ba toko tegera chinkwana chumo waziri ka kurugo tindi to those involved in malpractice and irregularities asate biriko chiposio. Onye ondebwensi kago chikotoka koenekia goikirania ibikore bigabyo bongaenderia nigarache koimokeriwa egetambe kerege tindikeri chiko nabiko mwanchu murigerio mu waziri nigatebanga umwako o 2024 asamate mamane AKCSE niga bikore byo bongaenderia mbia enegetiwe ase oboke korengane ni myaka ya maiga ase byare kwaneki waso bonga sebona tebiremero biro niga ndate kobekwa gwetera ase ewizare yechisem yugo chikwaneki ngago chiposio ase amatemu ayora chikwaneki wamane nigo hemeroberio yokubwatia machiko nabigemero biririgo chikobekwa nekyombe kya matemu kyanek era chikwikanirwa senchirengia asa kurire bali bonsi bara chikobwatiraniwa nigo bara chikomokerwa getambo kerege tindikeri chiko.
Professionals and teachers. Professionals and teachers. Insistent on the teachers system. Professionals were reported to have been involved in aiding examination malpractices. Firm disciplinary action will be taken against such teachers.
Waziri ago nyarko baga kwera emiroberio ega gukubwatikana ne abaribanya tukoba kweneke bikore byobo ngaindire tigatuchakre na Julie kurende toraska bwesunare ga jeria kuruba batebanga kerakubara emyaka igatu akwanire 16 years agotebanga umwana we munyaruka ora ase school ya secondary boniga nigo arachi guikaransira amatemo aiga o mwaka 2026 by the way system ega twateba mwaziri ateba nga nkoikero mwere 2027 igo jeria kiruba gwateba by 2026 umwana oyo munyaroka ukonyora ruikire myaka iyo 16 agochukaransira matemo aiga KCSE tigato chakasore juri umwaziri oruro gukuro gotindi gochase bari bakwenekia gokonya bose goikirania ebikorega byo bongaindire be naborokia hebe bari bagotenria matemo be naborokia bari bagokora matemo aiga manyene mbachikomekeri gwe getambo kerege tindi kiri chiko ngagira kwana matemo yo mwaka 2024 ase bikore biga byo bongaindire korengana chikwa chumo waziri agotanga nigo byenge bike
muri mama muri Clinton umwaziri atebanga exam irregularities na held at young 2829. This is a huge number. I mean, inki toko iberia mate. The government is trying to forget the previous years. Kuko ngachi school gete abana kunze gete mbanya retwa iberia mate umuyiburi nanyo retwa sepa professionals nchanyo retwa bakorera aborokia aborokiwa matem. Why should people do this? Mostly, we blame the teachers because if you provide your money, if you give enough knowledge, you just want involved in irregularity. It means a panic which leads to failing exams. Okay, what do you expect to universities? Performance which cover poor. Because I'm scoring an A which is not mine, I'm supposed to score a D plus. I'm scoring a C plus which is not mine, I'm supposed to score an A due to panic. So Karomi goes out among a tambo kerege cover I support him, you will come at them. Avana 20 people, I mean, let me be a doctor with those prescriptions that is a doctor. I'm a doctor because I scored an A, yet in chemistry, biology, I'm very poor. You could lead to performance in various facilities in various places who are very poor. Involved in exam irregularities, you should not be forced to go even such that when you are let them have their discipline. Now, let them have their discipline. Professionals let them have their discipline so that
Matilda notura sore mwaziri wa tairenga ukuro tindi kwa ruru but kero kurigeria ebikore biga byobongaindiri you can speak of aba waziri bari barure ekurumaiga we have introduction of CCTVs as ebirasi we have introduction of abarimu bari bakore n'amatembo kisimi cyabo nowadays ekikobe kwamo cyabe kukando securities beefed ngakiro chemero biro yo kuchibosiga iga yo kwaneke bune bikore byobongaindiri asa matembo case singo sirabire kegima
bantumbanya kubora ose oyo mo bali mo yanya kubora sekere chiro kero matemu nonyera kero kwa nge school se kwa nge wasoma nge bicha matemu bakoto eto ke umuntu oyo mo te ariganeti ogocha kunya kusana musagara usocha usaria matemu wae kome kero kurigereria aiga abantu nange ogo challenge no morokiwa esenje kero kende nabo no mutore ndi lete kuwanchira ose umuntu ndibase kuwanchira onyari kuibiri ayekero manyete kusubate focus yawo umanyete kiranga netito kuchya kuibira amatemu kero kurigereria nga nabateba ose wizara yetu sema tebanga amwana yigana tikwera takwera 100% esinchonga abantu mbari banamwago temabo test the waters nevange mikakati ya vetu remana mbaro robaka babere watoto batoke asabaro kiwa bari batari koiwe ngose anorenga abaro kyambaro roro bakomisi leader abana bande bano ko bari nanki ayibono mbono kiwa ikire yo wate sikenjo ero sikuru cyo bogondi cyakire ninki ko na wechanga kugenda usota de university ya bere komani ninki yeko kuchana musinki ko tagete toko kora matemu abo onyore gose ogende ikosi yura nyare igiera chiko konya singecho no sikorigere gibali hano myechi graduate to bwaje ku university kinga igase yake mbere mote yo pochi bona ba ku school cyo bugundi ko certified institutions bakonyora nga mbe yariganiti kigima baswa ase okonyora nga mbare kasi yabo kose bene bakoranye n'amaboko okonyora bari echiro ase obama abiko tindo chinga amana yega nabakorera lakini nande serikali bado tirabika ibiwango bibibwelebeke nande bono nga abantu bakire kibese sinjo kana kuri na professionals abaiga bari 91 aba n'abantu kibese kitarete icyo kigerete nande batachiwa kana soko makya matembo soko rena probably mangana naere lakini taka
Sam, nkwana yago briefly on the same.
Okay, thank you sana Clinton Aseng Jerry Swarigia. 840 actually those are the guys who say bana bari bare involved na mangana ya irregularities ko se bari ya yobo ngainereria alafu ntobwate 2829 you are under investigation in the next 30 days. Gobono na batu atebanga ambaro bagendrete kunya gochekia matemu abo na bora nyore nganaro otaji kunyora matemu aye you are among the 2829 you amatemu aye ata aribado ase uchunguzi. So 289 Clinton ene na mbele ne sana. 289 I mean 2829 nena mbele ne ase ngenjo yogwe usekanya gose okwe beka ase omotego boko ibere ya matemu. And then look at the 91 people professionals those who were involved ngambanya ko bako imukirege tambukero tianga the 91 they serve as an example ocheso muntu ndebwensi okonyara ko baga ko gagwe sonani nebikoro byokunganire ya matemu bona bono tianga tabi abayibone na barabu at some point I want to kuraba bekira mo ngonyora ngana barabu ko babare involved bona bono totebenga umuntu acha ko tebenga ki tete ko koneria matemu ana ko chikokorekana during your exam tebe wasabro 4500 ayo mwana ko 4500 it is from the parents. So as a country let us have a norm yokubwaterana gukora ibikorebi byo bongainere yakogera omuntu angainere yanyore kwanyoranga ochirase a profession gete enkeigo umuntu ore to expect yande chi profession gete osene no munyagitari yanda haijalishi goso chiro bero munyagitari abana bali okonyora bako tungu umuntu gusene chisindani chireto fo kwanyana umuntu kurubo mu muntu. Are you saying igo bono nga igo kero kwakora matemu kwanyorekana nga ngubwate D gusobwate gusene B igo korengeri kwao no kore ngai nagwe ekosi yego chikobugori nga nero obwenerete una bono gusene omonyagitari ore igo obwenete birengo biribya obongo bwao wa isaransire wakora matemu kwanyora nga maene nabubwente koba omuntu go deal na mangana medical onye no bwari the same. So ebikoro bunebi na obwente koera lakini 2829 it is a very big number na indo konoko tebanga wizara yechisemyenga kiyu ngokorereki nembe mono buna bono Clinton I want to confess and saying wizara yechisemyaro kanikoba it's about a community omugusi yakogera in the last to chakre 2010 kurwe constitution yecha it's about 13 is it 13 we are 13 years old 14 years old lakini aba waziri mbarenga babeire kurwa region ya Gusii ebechise we have had almost kamatiang
Sam
I'm just from 2010 let's say 2010 not 2010 I mean 2017 2013 kero constitution ya 2010 ya jete in place tuaterumo skema tiangi tuatwere machogu na bono gatubwate migosyo that is 3 it means singa we are it's kind of we are the ose toire kero gekwe esengenjo no region ya Gusii we perform well so kero wizara yechisemye kwene kibikoro ne 2829 number 1 igekoro kinga maybe the minister in that at that time maybe na changirite in one way or the other igobona as a region of Gusii nande kero to kwenyora nga turase bikorebi byo go support irregularities na hare go to sarerie rieta na no muwazi yori okoreteki oro igobona ko chakiro muiburi kogendo mwana kogendo mworokia kogenda na bali bonse people involved as a sector yokwene kinga matemu akoro tutige bintebi akero mwana akore korengana no konyora kwae egere we have a better future for our young people.
Thank you so much. Mwanchu murigari ya hinyora ngato ganete gusanga senchira ya bene emirobirio yane kiwarit kori arera sama chibu ye amatemo a KCSE Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education y'umwaka 2024 ayuara alikuwa vana litukolia lero no mawaziri w'echisemi Mheshimiwa Julius Migosi Ogamba sense media mitihani hauza sekati ababwata nikuru ase sector y'echisemi na wizara y'echisemi nikiombekerigete neta matem kianek koene kiabuna aborokwa bega konyora bara machibu abo kubwatka na matemo yobe translate na bange bagendrete kuganya kumanya na raria ya baenegetia samatemo ayo bare banyorra machibu abo gwikira boniga bare bagendrete koria chinchira chukuria konyora nabo igo bagendrete koboria nga kiba konyora ko bakumanya emiroberi yo konyora machibu abo mwancho muri atwachika ko gotebia ogoso ase simya wi smartphone na robot runa rutote torigeria ase ensemo ya kabere kubwatkana na ari mwaziri atebanga ogoso ase simya go kwaso ase website ya www.result/nec.ac.ke Tigaturaswa ase studio ya kabere tonyara ko batukurigeria chinkwana chumo waziri w'echisemi Mheshimiwa Ogamba kiratabanga gochakira bono gochibusio aso kubwatu gukoma chibu ya matemo manne nigara chiokoenekiwa ase ensemo ya digital ensemo ya online heribono buna bono aborikwa baikaransira matemo ya bagoso ase ensemo ya online banyora machibu abase bona tebire technology nigara chigutumeka gochiase amatukari busio ande mono gokonye wizara y'echisemi goikirane kubwatu kama chibu aigase enchirerengia.
As part of aligning our examination process with best global assessment practices, the ministry is working on integrating the use of Orbit readers and phase out Braille machines in the administration of the KCSE examination to candidates with visual impairment.
Chine chinkwana chumo waziri atabirenga kurubono gochibosio Julie will be having the digital way yoko release amatemwa ayaiga. Technology is taking over, introduction of AI, especially serikali ya Kenya Kwanza negenda to invest more make sure ngano services chia yenko genda chire online. Going forward ngakeiga egochi will affect the smooth delivery ya machibu gochia saborkia aborkiwa.
Yes, I know so Clinton, I don't have much about technology, but what I can say in technology, nowadays children are born with the current way of life. Abana baibo yiruba meto no meaning kiba meto no nye for Google everything they know about it. The schools have introduced use of computers. So there's more knowledge in this, and I did in the weekly saving now that the government also is working on its side to improve that. Back in the village, there's this thing, there's electricity, everything new. One, actually, what Kamatemo is very right, though, which go Syria because most people maybe they are going to be illiterate about how they are going to go about the receiving of exams in technology. But if they get on how to use this technology, they will very back in the village. You see, so, well, as I think if they work on it, knowledge or people get aware of it, it will also work smooth.
Matilda, everything is going digital. In as much as kila sector again they could embrace the new digital way yo kora service delivery as a sector HSM mo waziri olire iranga gochiposemi robe yongo soere online. Will that be smooth? Kwene kya bar konko nyara bara machiwa on time. In as much as technology igana yaro mwanya bantu roseti.
Ebi wana sana zinto. Kiro kulia mwana technology na mwana HSM na vera chiko ba apo. Alake senjolera bit expensive. Okonyoranga chi tokote remote areas. Okonyoranga na listi matreka abantu mbagwa tichisimi. Oso okonyoranga asite ndiva bantu bagwa te no yeti smartphone eba kubarika. Sebanya romo chi no nyeti simi chichire kero kende abana baroro bariko eba access kuchese tisimi. Ende bono kuchokunali na ndi aboro kiwa gotumika kasi simi. Kuleta mwana mange simi tubago tutoa access to a lot of information. Konyaranga abana batakiri kuinalia kutumika kasi simi so technology asinjire erende. Konyoro mwana watike laptop yae ibagari bosoma chibyo kuwachi bitakorigere. Konyara ninde evinto binde muna bono cyber crimes. Ekero technology wo chigoso ebinde nichikokwatira ni abana beskuru. Nino mwana abana basibisi bagotumia chi computer kero obari asichinga chabo abana kuchikonyora babe exposed kuchase ya mwana mange babe konde ase mtandao abana babe trolled alafu bachake kuigia chitabi chindi chile online chitari chengencho umona kayete ase ya mwana yiye chisevina technology na ronda tena.
Sam, sorry, your time, I think ngaki ene mwari go dial star enamba kwa beka ash waziri atebrenga going forward ngoso atura sensemo ya digital kwa neki una machiwa ya go chare instant una ko bwato kuga kero moro ke onyanyore instance.
So yeah, I want to approve what you have said. Actually nje na the star something thing konyora nambe it was very long lakini konya ukibore unabo konya uki ne technology ne rango korereki konya go chenchire. So when Migosio Gamba the CS of education yakotebanga we shall be having go se access ya machiwa ya withras online service again anything that they should incorporate the online services with same technology in schools. I do remember very well during the Jubilee administration, but everything kero mwana orenge, I think, is it class 1? Nanya rakoba access a tablet. Is it a tablet? Ya rakoba konya egera manganaya a technology na rakoba nyarakoba bakoya manya. Murubiri utuchiti ko babuya to karabaka barimo baka end up koira. I'm not accusing them. Bakaira chi tablet chiri murubiri witu chiti ko bagugwikirana nande chine chipesa chabata spent ko koreta ibi faviri yerbinyara ko babigo konya ko improve technology. So as much as the minister thinks like we want to access the online services no ena machibu na keregentu kila kitu siku hizi ni online iko banyara ko babako weka in place technology will support ICT in schools. Like abana as early as primary was say in these grades, grade 1 and 2 and 3, they will know what technology has. Of course, they can access the phone, they can operate the phone, but there are more of educative things babwente konyara ko baba konyora egere pamanyenga nkigero korekana asumtandao na indebenga no mtandao ugutumeka senchirengia because Clinton when technology comes ngochere na effects chae abantu na bako end up misusing that freedom of technology mnabona troche. We have a lot. TikTok. We have a lot of misuse of this internet because of the access and the freedom that is there. So to regulations that Chico Nyarakoba Chico govern the online services, egera bana wake batumeke asenchire.
In other way, to under surveillance, yeah, supervision. Yokone kiambari go yasona niase emero video etari miyamu ancho murigeria bari bagenda te kubwatira nari gagotanga please naomba mniambie pole pole hiyo link niweze kuiweka kwa simu nipate majibu ya mtoto wangu agotebanga paka agosora agotebanga kwa na ngorongoro mwancho murigere manachika kogotebia tutaraso ase studio yakabere tutagere chinkwana chumo waziri kerare koena na enchira eyo yokoria kobwatoka amachibu aiga se enchira ya online hokwenda sesimi yago kwabeka www.results/nec.ac.ke www.results/nec.ac.ke tokurena tonyara ko batokugendera gusanga mange kubwatikana aribo igabariki baitu bamangana bagenda te kubwatira nachika ko tebe kurwa sor konkurwa gusi abariki baitu no barase chinsemo koenekia kumanya ari aya aeneki wase chiskuru echoche ese kororigo toskare tigatura tegera chinkwana chumo waziri kerare koera buna omorokia buso omorokiwa buso omuibori oyurigete kumanya machibu aye busa machibu yeskuru yaye bunabwente konyara ko ba gakubwatia emirobiri
2024 KCSE candidate examination results will be accessed online through a secure link on the NEC website or directly through the following website: https://results.nec.ac.ke. Candidates will be required to enter the candidate's index number and any one of the names as per the registration data for the 2024 examination results. The results will be available immediately after the end of this function.
Mwancho murigeria kwa igore gago bona buno mawaziri hanyara koba gakwera emiroberio igago igo muiborio nde bwensi otagete komanya machibu yo moroki woye ose moroki wa onde bwensi origetie nere kubwatia na komanya machibu aye kubwatikana matemo iga KCSE aso mwaka 2024 mwaziri otebiraguo website eyo nigere www.results/nec.ac.ke tukoska bosio turane bono ase county ya Kisii turach kogendra ase ngencho nkorigeri twenge ense media ya midterm exams aso mwaziri atebanga KCSE nechikwanekiwa gatigati yo mwaka tigaturerena asorgongo rwagusi ande mono murikito dipo nasanya oyogandate kubwaterera emiroberio iga yo kubwatoko kwa machibu aega ase ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South ase county ya Kisii asakendate gutara igatie chisukuru kusangana aborokigwa naboigo abaibori nababwatani kurwa senseme yo kubwatikana na ayigo mawaziri anyara koba gakubwatoka omo basorero asa machibu yabo ari kwabikira asi 12 gose form 4 aso mwaka o 2024 tokore na tunyara koba kugandira gusanga mange
mwanchu murigereria wegeta seni kiagatembe no mugasondo muyango kwarigania ogendera gusangamo naitwe anene kurwega sebunge ya Kitutu Chache South ya maseyemo korwa se skuru ya St Patrick's Mosocho one of the day schools tobwate asorgongoro igachi skuru chiboko libuya korwa sebunge ya iga ya Kitutu Chache South anene korwa se wodi ya Bogusero sengincho ya matokeo yeli tukerigalia lero tuikire konyora chile salti cho mwana ulinga index 1 ni gabwate red kia A- index 2 awate a B+ na go a B-, ayunga ti ya machibu ali asokire asebire biga kolende ntogendera ko kwariganiria oroboti origa asubikira na tokognendera konyora amachibu korobega asingicho abana bakorete ase skuru yega na go ntogendera gutara gucha ase skuru ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho skuru ya bereke ko koli bijanero tunyara ko kumanyana ali agendrete gatije skuru jikira so Chache South ndobate skuru ya Riotero LCD ndobate Matieko ndobate skuru ya Raganga ayude gati yemiro ko kwarganitie kurwega asorgongorega ndobe tuko kumanyika ndo sangamo naite negeta seni kyagatembe ye maseyemo naite dipon asanya nyago kumanya nara ya gendrete kurwa sorgongorega igo gendra ko sangamo naite na ntoko
oyu no murikito Dipon Asanya igagukura ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ase county ya Kisii asagendete kwenekia buna nkomanyare onsi korwa senseme yo ane mona sare ase skuru yo ya St Patrick's Mosocho kwenekia kumanya amachibu ayegasokire ng'aki anyare kobaga kwariganirwa korwa sensemo ya aborokia be skuru yo naboigo abaibori na ane mono chisukuru secondary chichira ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache South murikito Daniel Ontiri nere nwari kurwa sensemo ya Kitutu Chache Kitutu Masaba ase county ya Nyamira Dani Muzungu nwari sensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba naboigo kwenekia na baromba chiko tobwaterera iga senchira yobo ikiranu murikito Brian Nyakundi nere nwari sensemo ya Bobasi Polikapokara naboigo Fatgard Gisemba kurwa ase county ya Nyamira iko mwanchu murigeria toskare gendera kubwaterera sengencho tutetukomanye onsi ari aenekiwe kurwa ase orgongorega rwa gusi togoska bosio tigaturategera chinkwana chiomo waziri bwechisemi Muske Julius Ogamba kirarenge ko kwandra kubwatkana nemirobirire gandate kubeko yo kwenekia buna aborko bari batekaransireta matemo abaiga KCSE mwaka 2024 mbabwateri bagaje gochia kwenekia gwikaransira matemo aiga senchira ya bena sikira tabire gochibosi wizara iyo nigebegete mirobiro yo kwenekia buna matemo KCSE na chikwenekiwa bono mwaka gati mutienyi ogatano na kabire higagu July naboigo ensemeria yo mweri go mutienyi aso kwenekia bari barigetie koirora asengencho ababanekia amatemo iga yo mwaka 2024 baranda ke bataikiretie birengo biri baganitie bagochio gotwara okoganyo go koirora mbabwateri bagario kwenekia bunanko eri ke bare aso mutienyi yo ogatano na kabire kwenekia bunanko egendre bara senchirengia na bari bonsi barigetie egoikirana gokora amatemo iga KCSE atarikiro mwerio omwaka o 2027 asateba omorobirio goba masomo na riora chwikiro mwerio babwateri pagana baraborio kwerikia indi gochwikaransira amatemo igatika turategera chinkwana cha tokore na gagatuna ko batokugandra gosangamange.
I wish to state that the government has kept enhancing measures aimed at ensuring high levels of efficiency and effectiveness in the administration of national examinations. Starting this year and following extensive stakeholder consultations, I wish to announce that Kenya National Examination Council will introduce a mid-year series of the KCSE examination to be administered in July every year. The examination will target candidates wishing to repeat the KCSE examination and those who may have missed sitting in examinations due to sickness or other unexpected hardships. Adult candidates may also consider registering for the July series examination from this year.
Manchu Murigaria, one of the Mozilla, Tevirago, Hemirobion, Nere, you can get to Quebec, was by no Quanigo, Coirora, was by Batan, or Teribaga, you will answer Matemoiga, Umako 2024, but whether you query which you can answer Matemoiga. Asomotinyo ogatano na kabirimbo yamana sabari baga natego to bwateria roda ruta gotabanga kurwa sensemo ya golf agotabanga congratulations wekia sabar kwa bonsi bari machiwa banyarako baga kurarigwa bene aseritko ria rero nganchire turu mutimoko mokegase studio ya kabere tokurana ntanyarako batogo chakiraga na kogandra gokomanya mwancho murgira somorobiriga obene kurigeria machibu ayonyarako baga kubwato kwa yamatemwa KCSE y'umwaka 2024 tukoria rero no mwaziri Bwechisemi Mheshimiwa Julius Migosi ogamba Toscan.
Usi bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja ETV ya uwanje Tiaga Tembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 egoki nimirulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuri miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya Zambia egulire edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas amonogo chingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemirulu yetu ao inyoranga nigo okonyora channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 033 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Chuo cha anuwai cha Rirage Technical na Vocational College sasa kinawatangazia usajili wa mwezi Januari au January intake. Inatoa mafunzo katika vitengo kadhaa kama vile automotive engineering, electrical engineering power option ambapo unahitimu kwa viwango vya diploma au certificate. Katika electrical installation pia wana vitengo zaidi katika kosi hii. Mechanical engineering ambapo ufunzo wa production, wiring, fabrication na crafts na zingine nyingi. Hairdressing na beauty au ususi na utunzi wa nywele na ngozi, fashion and design. Ufunzo kuunda nguo za kisasa. Pia ujifunza embroidery, tie and dye, print, party and pattern drafting. Njoo ujifunze sasa. Applied science, global studies. Wako na kitengo cha kufunza ukulima ambapo wanafunzi wanajifunza ukulima na ufugaji. Kusajili au intake inaendelea. Katika kosi zote hizi una fursa ya kuhitimu na diploma au certificate. Rirage Technical na Vocational College ipo Kigugi Marani, kilomita 1 tu kutoka barabara kuu kutoka Kisii kuelekea Miruka. Wakufunzi wana tajriba kuu, pia wamehitimu kulingana na sheria za Wizara ya Elimu na TVET. Malipo ya karo ni chini ya udhamini wa serikali kuu au government capitation. Pia unaweza pata mkopo wa serikali wa Higher Education Loans Board HALB. Wanabweni safi au hostel. Kwa mengi zaidi tutembelee katika tovuti yetu www.riragya.tbc.ac.ke. Riragya Technical Vocational College, umechelewa kujiunga nasi. Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Na batebi na mbasira kitoronigizi ego kanza mochibu gembo nsa stage yechi bigi nsa ajonyo kotate speaker na ne kabisa live and direct onyo kotate ufa chisi mimbu yeto ayege ntoko koraneke ogo chankoro kitoba ise to banga ko ngaina tikangoro chitibi no chiriga etibi urwambara etibiri jambi ebetiri kutumia nyumba kwa raza kura duniani ebetiri kuokeria gari yao majiji betiri nararo fogo laki amaliko no ari ga kurugwe ga sikuka kutura tulijimeno ga kubugima buko yiga mara moja kwa ragiri onyange Jozibi neji ufa
Numbers Electronics boigomba bwate ebintu bina chi speaker amo ne chi microphone chi horn speaker chi power mixer chi keyboard chi blender chi basi na boigo chibirika chestima chi water dispenser chi radio ao mpaka chirie chigari chi TV chi type chonsi na boigo chi size chonsi amo na electronics beyonce pibuna chi wire chi extension cables nebintu binde ebinge ekeroteri kweba chi solar panels tarere imeyomo chibugembo stage gorigoro oseo kesimi asa 0729 646 385
aiga no numbers aba customer baito bons asimole na baliganiri keregento tobwate na netobwate bintu bich quality chigoro chingia kabisa
chaso wenge na nyora kane tigaminyo ke nyumba
Numbers Electronics aiga ntobwate keregento aserigori lyomubuko o Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi
Nilan Hub niye moyo chiduka echichikone bintu bigutumika service na bigase nyumba yao yani furnitures asirigori lya mubuko ebyo bikomenya segeka asechinsamo cha living room mbabwate chi throw pillows echujire chichingenjo au nabwego ne chikala au mbabwate recliner sofa sets echora onchura ne bunu kuganya kwa okole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echujire chechi 7 seater nabwego ne chechi 6 seater echujire chechi rangi nechi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands echora tumeke asokubeke TV yaobu ya ase chinsamo cha coffee tables nkone bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkone bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge asinsamo cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 6 seater na boigo nechi 8 seater na boigo mbabwate marble top inyuranga Nilan Hub igobwato murulio olipa pole asuwanchiro wakanira ebintu bigangorangora wika wakolire tonyole imeyomo chomusongo asebara yasunika migori otaraikasenya gitali lya nyangena boigo nabogwaka esimi gwetrase chinamba chito echuchire enote sanolibere kyanda eyemo isano isato kyanda ibere inye kose enote sanolibere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjilio asinka ya olero Nilan Hub where style comfort and quality meet.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi
Peak Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo asomo chando bwa maino igoba kurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwa tomu chando koya sivya komenterua amaino asebalia agogete nkogwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwo bwensi asedi golidense kegima mbambwate nsema sabana bakobutera nabo igokogoserelia obokoreri bwabo no bwabwango nando bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro niko bagotoka imeyomo chokisi asamagacho a Uhuru Building aselirongo igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust Waigo nabokonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke Waigo nabokonyora gwetera ase nchera yesimi wetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutwe. I am the chief dentist, and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Enyagitari ya Medford nigo eukralia e clinic kya Neurospine tariki 10 omutinyu mutangani umwakoyega o 2025 consultation fee n'ekishiringi kiri bubere n'ekimisano kyoka abaroire bali babwate back pain, neck pain, hip joint pain, disc bulge bali babwate obukungu bw'ogutara nabo igogwekumba, numbness na tingling of feet, persistent headaches n'ekibrain tumor mwariganirwe ase e clinic yekiga kero asenchera ya bene tutarere asenyagitari eri ase para ya Hospital Road ose otwakirisimi ase namba 0762105575 gose 0101001127. Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Kila nafsi na itaonja
Tarari ogokwa komulisia Winston Musenya kwae. Mulisia kwae nigale omuritired head teacher naboigo omulisia omagenge Central SDM. Yaro omwana onyewosiria senior chief Alex Nyakwae Nyambeneria na nyewosira Salome Nyakwae babo machoge borabu constituency. Nigare omwaka nyewosira Esther Keribomose na nigare ise Nancy, Beatrice, Dennis, Dr. George, Albert, Josephine, Jacqueline, Edward, Bernard, Gladys na Kodek. Nigare Sokoro Yabange. Nigare Isabiara Isaac, nyagosira Edward, Abundi, Jackson, John, Rispa, Dr. Naum, Rose, Zipporah, Happiness na Beatrice. Yare momuro mwabo Samuel, nyagosira Jeria, Okeira, Nyandieka, Otieno, Gisemba, Otiso, nyagosira Getange, nyagosira Mekubo, Daniel, Onyango, Kwamboka, Marita na Teresa. Nigare korera ya nyagosira Orangi, nyagosira Matara, nyagosira Omote, nyagosira Nyakwanya, nyagosira Makori, nyagosira Mochama, Magembe, Kebuaro, Oyoroboga nyagosira Onyari, Christina, Sibia, Sara, Anna, Mosomi, Pastor Nyoteyo na Miri. Yare Samoka Rogers, Charles Ogetange, former DC Mabea Mogaka, Henry, Tom, Paul, James, Geoffrey, William, Elijah, Salome, Katiabande, Abange. Mochango, Gora Korekane, Tukuria Jumaine tariki sana na ibere, Aria All Saints Cathedral, Muchu Nairobi, Chinsa Ikomi Nemo Chamgoroba. Nigo amasabo yoko moinera Korekane tariki sana na isotur Tukuria Jumatano, Mutinyumo Tangani Mwako Yega, Maxwell Church, Yere Manikadabuna Nairobi Central SDA abo ase araniwe tariki 10 tinyumo tangani omwako igari twejuma aria Magenge Village igorera sublocation ase county ya Kisii. Getemba Television torengreito. Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers, certified by the Ministry of Education, expansive playgrounds to nurture co-curricular talents, a safe, modern boarding facility ministry compliant, reliable modern transport services for every learner. The 2025 intake and admissions are now ongoing. Hurry and secure a space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town, along the Kisii-Keroka Highway, Call us on 078-089-4411 or 0728-722-255. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Nachokiona ndo ndicho chacho kinachoendelea.
Sonja esigino etabwatichisi grudge anene chinga kichiga chimeliga ye Christmas. Egoki asokochora satellite ya Zook tonyorwa gura edekoda ne dish asechishilingi chiri wibire amagana kenda na mirongo kenda na kenda chuka guse asechishilingi eliwiyemo amagana mirongo kenda na kenda ase abateja abaye enyolere omutinyo yomo obusa yani free premium package eliwego kene siginyo ito iyo ere entinguka gima iyo kubwata sagale aselikulirya mubuko kubwata chishilingi chiminye na mirongo enena kyanda nabo okwenyolera Zook Smart Package chishilingi chimisano nemo nabo okwenyolera Zook Smart Plus Package na chishilingi elibweye muna mirongo kyanda na kyanda niko okwenyolera Zook Classic Package nabo igo elibweye mu chimisano na mirongo ena na kyanda asekera umutenyi enyolere Zook Premium Package. Nyora mange yechigosoli chidocumentary chidrama cha loko chege Swahili.
Mimi sio mpumbavu kama unavyonifikiria. Na sasa hivi nipo tayari nikafungwa kabisa nikafia jela. Niko chukua
series nechi movie noli series na wigo nechi movie chigosoli cha bana yani Kid Shows na toeva enyolere TV ya una mpeya Mugetembe Television Network ase channel ya number 33 ase chi package chiga okowora kwenyolera Zook Decoder tara asinsa mchiricha Geosol Enterprise Masimba Plaza Building usena bugwa kesi migwetera sechi number 0739332468 gose na bugo tara asinsa mchiricha Aleno Electronic asipara ya kisi migori angene bengi ya KCB chinsa mchiricha daraja usebwa kesi migwetera se number 0714067223 Wigo nabo okusanga mu nintu wetras chinamba chito echo chire 0205200025 gose 0703010000 Zook life got better.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi. Enyagitari ya Medford Hospital ni gobono eukuranirya clinic gechinsemo ao buna chikubwatya chitari kikumi cy'umutinyi umutangani umukwega baliya mu chakulingoligwa ase chinsemo chikubwatya outpatient na inpatient care excellence in diabetes and cardiology care buna bono 2D ECHO TMT na Holter general medicine referrals na opinion casualty na intensive care management continuous glucose monitoring system management central venous cannulations yo ebwateren chinsemo cheswan guans na catheter fixation peripherally inserted central catheter fixation asechinsemo cha chemotherapy intubation for ventilator cases buna tracheostomies percutaneous endoscopy guided gastric feeding tube fixation joint injections for pain control in osteoarthritis, temporary and permanent dialysis and catheter fixation. Tutarere asenya gitari yetu kose otokeresime ase number 0762105575 gose 0101001127. Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
amasomo na nine obumanyi na buborairire omwana okogendera asa matuko ali busio ne aye omwiburi kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana ayanyorera obumanyi na nene w'ekikosi ky'amaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute eryo aibunduse ekikosi ao igaiga ntubwate ekikosi bunabono erya ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tureboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician level 5 na level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosi ya ICT Technician level 5 na level 6 Gitumelab ase nsemo ya Community and Online Working imiheskuru yiga ya keti nigotubwate a modern library eyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ari nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya version design ase tubwate chimashini chekerero nkoigeria bale boigo business studies na entrepreneurship ase chinsamo cha cosmetology nigo tokwigeria beauty therapy miranga ase beauty therapy nigo okwenyorera obumanyi bwekerero unabono hair dressing pedicure manicure egati obumanyi bonde obunge boigo ntubwate kosi ya mechanical and automotive engineering agirira muretu mwanu ayenyorere obumanyi obwiga egekogera intake ya January nigo egendrete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munenu skuru asomo chokeroka
Njenkefa nyakinyanya mugaka ninche registrar aigase college ite ya Keroka Technical Training Institute Keroka ntubwate chikosi kya kisasa ichi chiragere omwana anyole gase sobwango usasa kwerikana nase gase natali kwa service ase school fees ndasa kutanga kwansi ile busa ase ngenje serikali gotwa what we call scholarship na wego na help loans egente ketanga ni mwana wika Keroka to como konya oswase program ya kusibisonye tanya ali ku apply kubatakana no kwandika mwanafunzi wasuko mwana ne background yaye igaso ogwanja kwino abayibuli kumuranje tiganto tiga bana ababerenga tigataba to kasi school ete Keroka mureta sobwango ndo batana na accommodation injwango so that nyole mabagaya abana bagenda gusoma eri mbaje gutokonya matukani mutu
asamange na bogwaka esimgwitra ziti namba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirana kwenyorera obumanyi eri bwebekeri bagari lya asensiga yokwerwanirira
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2025 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, hygienic kitchen and dining area, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, skating, modeling, debates, scouts, and inspiring music programs with adequate training equipment. Our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2025 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 882397 or 0729 658 659 for more information or to book an interview.
My My name is Dylan Musa. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. Welcome. My name is Kaden Zabangwen. I'm in PP1. I love my school and my teachers. I welcome you to our school where we learn and play.
Timiza School. Discover your best.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Zikun Clinic ni nyagitari ya kerero iyukurwa obokorari bwobugwenia asamarwire au asugutumika amaliogo akura chinse chamaiko igo bakubwenia asugutumika chimashini chinkongu echichikuligiria na kunenkia omuchando bomorwaire inyura igo bakulingolia babwenia na kurwa amaliogo igoliria bonya amaliogo nigoliria mubuko na eliororo nkubwenia abali emechando buna pressure arthritis esukari ulcers kolengania chi omon marwire yenda marwire yabasacha n'abakungu gatiya yande amange nigo bakwigura akira litukuli ya Jumatatu guika Ijumaa guchagara chinsa ibere chamambya guika chinsa ikomena mocha magoroba batalere ime yo muchobosongo asamagacho a Uhuru Towers lirongolia gatatu use ubakire simi ase enamba enoti isano na ibere enoti isatu ibere eyemo ibere enoti guse enoti isano na ibere isato isano nemo isano na ibere kianda ibere isano nemo inye School Clinic asobokorari obuya minyoka.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Sha Ceramics nigobono yago keirie ligoli liechitile cha Twyford icho bono igachi konigwa chishiringi chimisano na bere nemeronge bere chuka ase a box ya 30 by 30 nigoba koni ya chimabol bunabono chi tabletops koni bari chirangi aina chonse koni bari solid doors PVC ceiling babugata chitile chechinyasi naboigo chechi floor MBF pyramid, gypsum cornice, filled fables, mabuatech double corner shelf, a towel rack, scrap holders, soap dispenser, naboigo shower mbabugate chibirengo nechi type au ebintu bya plumbing Beyonce P bunabono PPR female, PPRT, PPR stop valve sockets, PRS generator mbabugate type Jones P submissive pumps drill mbabugate type Jones bench fries meter saw Anson scales naboigo mbabugate water tap ochonsipi simiti chuma water tank water pipe amabati type ochonsi emesumari noego toka eyubugachi ne yamabati nigo bagotoka Cansons Plaza aseparena na ya Kisumu Highway inchuo Sha Ceramics bwegorera serigurianse. Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Eduka ye Euromat Supermarket nigo yakoletiri ubwansu asebagorosia emigati emiya babwate umugati uli Euro white bread which gramu chimi inye Euro white bread which gramu chimi ibere Euro mandasi boigo queen cake buns birthday cake so chi cake chi nyange egati yebinde ebinge asobwansu boigoro tueba babwate ebintu biria bichicho abuna tissue papers serviettes apik detergents igati binde ebinge nkoni bali chindagira nebinyuwa bunabono bwate omuchere chidengu ebiscuit chisoda chicheese namabuta yogukaranga asi omagoli aisekegima semeli yobochenu bwate ebintu na basir boda sunlight geisha meningai nechinde chinyinge semo elia yeskuro ni gobobwate bintu buna file brown cover ebitabu chikaramu crayons egati yabinde ebinge toy chanda buno nabokonyora ebibyonsi asuko batalira ime yensemelia ya nyabite ime county nyamira usoba kiresimi ase enamba 0781111544 55 Yolomat Supermarket Asubwansuo na magoli amaya minyoka.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Ine kwabaire gukorera asinga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia endibo enyinge. Aha, buno tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya Walfit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorubu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate. Eno borwere bwasungwira abagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari bogo somo bero goimbe. Hypertension no borwere keramanyinga kogende bure somo bero. Walfit itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa marwaire. Enchede ntangani itosomete ngenduka conventional medicine. Yani ubonyagitali obwa kawaida. Itosomete ngenduka nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakuruese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano, we have amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Bigo tumbeka esoko rwari ya marwaire. Nchirende ya gata tosomerete neka tukutumia international herbal medicine. Tukutumia marioga akuruese mete tuarwari ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza. Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na iguru wacho wake goroba ya gatatu erumu 307A. Ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani obo asamarwaire minyoka.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi. Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Mwanchomo ligareria o Getembe TV na andi karibu sana sensemo ya gatatu neyo mwerio yo murubiriga togokoretera senchira ya bene kumurikire nganene yeritukoria rero anemona sense ya Kenya asomo waziri wotenete wizara y'ikiseme mheshimiwa Julius Migosio Gamba araiga tiabara ibande kurwase wizara y'ikiseme na boga tiabara ibande kurwase kiombekeri getende tamatem ya Kenya National Examination Council NEC ase nyumba ya mitihani house ase county ya Nairobi ili kubwa tukasenchira ya bene amachivu ya borokiwa vikiraski 12 bose form 4 mwaka 2024 hemambia rero mwaziri nigatware nkwana nkeiwa muno muraibwensi ya Kenya muskule mruto ase nyumba ya State House ase county ya Nairobi maiga yogo tware nkwana iyo nigo aikirana sense meyo ya mitiani house ubwato kama tema yo asenchira ya bene somo basorero twanyara ko batugo sanga mange igaiga twarigerere gati ya ariane kigwa ase chinkwana chiaye chinkwana cyomurike butambe ase wizare yo yechiseme mheshimiwa Belio Kipsang negati abagwatani bande abo barire ira yo kwene cyabunago cyasa matukare busio sector yechisemi nekigwikirana ase nchirengia anemona somo rubiriga o 844 uyu amachibu aye ye ekerasi kege komina kaberanya ko baga ko bwato kwa senchira bene mwaziri atabangani garachi niko murubirigo rachwikira omwerio umwaka o 2027 naboigo umwaka yega 2025 nororengo mwaka mutangani bwo kwa nikyo cyakwa kwa masomo ye class kirike grade ya kianda ose grade 9 asomo rubirigo CBC oligete wikiraniwa asenchira ya bene umwaka yo 2027 kora che goiko mwancho murigira na chika ko batabya boigo abariki baito ba mangana kurwa se chinsemo au mbaga ndate ko bwateria igago murikito kurwa se county ya Nyamira polika pokara ko manyanga Nyakongo boys wikira boni gama chibu na gendrete gosoa ya boriko abekaranse tamate moyo mwako yeto 2024 wikira boni gani gago tabangani go mwana yomo anyare ko ba gakonyora airplane oyomo 15 wikira boni ga nigo babwate A- amachibuande na gendrete gocha asengencho emiroberio yo korigeria se website ga ya yabwato kwa yokobwato kwa kubwato kama chibu negenderete kurwa sensemo ya nyakongo bono aboroki wabo bono gwikira boni ga 15 no yomo 16 ase 15 babwate A minus na boigo yomo abwate A plain na boigo murikito nere Fatgad Gisemba nagendete kubwatira robot kurwa se chinseme chago tabenga gatia boigo kurwa se county ya Nyamira anina se chiro ya kibirigo abo tayari banyota machibu yabana babo na boigo aborokya nigo barokiro mogoko maiga yoko igorwa kwa machibu ayo yaborokwa babo igo nere nagendete kwariga ne birengererio bia boibori kurwa se county yo abo barachiko baba gukwana igoro ya mange kubwatekana na ariagendete kwene kyobusaje ne kiwari koria rero aso kubwatko kwa machibu ayo ntwasanga no murikito dipo na sanya kurwa se county bunge ya Kitutu Chache South nere na toera arianye aina kiyo kurwa senseme yo anemone school ya St Patrick's Mosocho na boigo asensemo ya St Don Bosco nyabiosi murikito karaboigo nigagotabanga wikira bondiga machibu ya haborokiwa ikomi niganya rekoba busaborokiwa ikomi abo babwate amachibu abo kurwase eskuru yugo ikraboni gabara banyore direct entry whichase a university na chiko tumanya matoke abo kurenda batabanga umwana mutanga ni kurwase eskuru yo nigabwate a B+ na boigo kurwase nsemo ya bobasi naro muri kitobran yakundi agotabanga nigo aborokiwa na aborokia baganta gwesokya na boiga bayibodi go chengere mirobiriga asagoteba bono mwarimu mwana bwe eskuru yo ya Kenyoro secondary yo goto yo yabwata aborokiwa ikomina kyanda boka abo banyate ko baba gwikaransira matemwaiga a KCSE aso mwaka 2024 nigo bono bagendrete gutwara omuchando bo gwikera konyora amachibu yabo kurwa se website yo yabwato kwa nomo waziri bwechisemi umheshimiwa Julius Migosi ogamba negati ya mange turachie kogendra kubwatiria kurwa sabari kibaito ba mangana bagendate konekia bunanko ya sanga bare onsi na intwe gaiga kirara cheko baka wigira kurende ase studio gaiga nonde nere Julie Kirubo Matilda Obaigwa na boigo Sam Miyenda baganta konkonya konekia buna ngoko manyatora senjira yobo ikirano ari ainekiwa ase ri tukeriga kubwatakana na matemwaiga a KCSE yo mwako yiga Sam kubwatakana na ya gendrete kwenekiwa sofa tigatura tanya kubatuko kwana soko korera kubwatakana numero biriga 0844 uya machibu aye ayo mwako 2025 watokire na ndo waziri na taba by 2027 murobiro yo kwikira ro mwerio kwari kana turo murobiro CBC what do you think murobiro CBC orachie go achieve ori either 844 otaikiraneti asenjira ya bene ose ori 844 otarengete korengana na maganyo ya barokyo na baibori.
Okay, bono iga system ya 844 ne kunyawega gochomweri because miaka tigari actually ne tatoyoka abaiga baro bone ga bare form 4 au bare form 3 na au bare form 2 ba gukoraiga tunyara kwatoko yani kyanga system ya 844 ya nyada kurwa ase system ya Kenya ege etofauti ero egatia CBC na 844 nda manyomo anchomo ligerio gatambe TV neringa CBC it's more of a talent based yani igeko nyara koba geko soke byo babiri omwanafunzi abwate like nabakonyoranga umuntu na bora nyonge class talibonse bako class bose bako nyara ko babo ikera ibirengo biribiye bitakire byo monta etamatem lakini kwanyoranga ne batamaiti kya gukora aliese amariko kurene na maite igentara nyara ko bagakora iyo riski wetera ase kiriara nyara ko bagakora buranya no muntu maite bwaka bose no mupira yaba nga CBC go identify it's what we call competence based yani kiri mwanafunzi aranyara ko bagakora ikiyamo no wetani asa masomo system yerengia because in the 844 system tu abwate yegenda to kunyakwera igo yarenga more of theory yani igo yarenga masomo umuntu that's why akoranga abaiburi abange kero sports challenge bago discourage abana babo tibagenda ko correct go to activities just sports instead bayirichinga kichi correct wasome class e system hiyo ya korokanya umuntu kobanga onye twete tiamatemwao igo ro umuntu omuri dio tanyara koba ugoba identified by the society lakini the CBC thing that we're having igeko nyara koba ko identify umuntu ne talanta go second to clear kunyara koba ka gukora wikiranu egera onye onyara koba supported asenjera yo gwikiran egere aikiranie egento tokurukanga talanta yayo alafu tubwate egento kende ase CBC gekogera by now abaiboi abange batara understand that makes them thinking a CBC very expensive ase ng'encho ng'a erietagete ng'aki gendo rete ritoke toro kyo mwanafunzi ng'aki ritoke rigokora ki rikorosi gachiogora ebiasi gachiogora obosi bwa mandazi gachiogora engoko orete tokora ng'aki ebintu bigokora ki rikorosi that's why asa abaibori yaba expensive ase ng'encho etagete materials but in the 844 system we only taught because no science omonto gotabanga igene rikorosi bwa rigokoruga na igana yereraga but the CBC it's more of a talent it equips the student na skill chiriaga niri geranya ko bwa konya sugo
keto cha sole Matilda umurobiri bwa masomo 0844 tu maeto morkwa ni kitabu ni kalam ni uniform ko kwenda school but CBC is coming up umoro kiwo yagana teteriga na tetengoko na the colors I came to realize because nanjani mbwate moisko mintomoke something like clay soil bintu gete vinde bitare ngase 844 do you think komurubiriga OCBC ngo chole with new adventures ora chiko konya bor ko egendriase especially practical side
CBC nengiere nande nkogerere aborkiwa baba more of practical banyara kumanye bintu biri bakorora se vitabu ngakibikoroga in real life nonye kore expensive lakini I think kogenda nasi school ye singenchekero kurige na school chire risabu go se school chiri chirenka abane bintu biri bagotumwa negentora nyare goikeria nabo gukuriga onye ne school yeta oni umwana agotuma egento kerigo sekero kende nabo kwanda ogore lakini teko ba expensive mono lakini toko yo compare ne system eri ya 844 ninde kiro kurigereria se amangana yega CBC okubwatera na ngoro bona iga umwana onye kubwata umwana ore okosoma inse ya CBC bako moibori otokaroro obwatira no moibori omwarimu na muntu nde bwensi ore yange tari munariririkara umwana akairugo se na assignment oenda bwekorera bweka boniga sekera bana bairo assignment bakayo moibori ne bando siswarenge bakoteme kubikirani gwaroro nabo igo CBC ekorigerere ninki omoro kiwabwate tari kerie system iganeti singencho 844 eyabwate ebirengo gitebegete naki omwana sekera omoro kiwaikire ekerenge keiga igo nari mokoranga omoro kiwoyo nare omungaini gosomwana oyo no mungaini are sekera sime lakini kiro korigereria CBC ngeri kya gosoka kurwa so omwana kiri omwana aranyare gokora naki gekorigererwa ande bakorigereria okogenderera okwa kuomorokiwa at every stage omwana ngo rigereri gware omanyenga inki wekera boniga inki wekera boniga amanyire lakini eri ende eyarenge to perfection like koregento geikerekerenge kega ya namange lakini aso na inara
Julie tikatocha sore asengenjo abange babatebanga mu video 0844 abange babe baragosomera matemu umwanafunzi yagosoma so that aita matemu but they are saying CBC mwanafunzi yakonyora chisemi to perfectize kintu kiria tete gukora because abange bare ko bwana kero fereti especially bunabona matemo KCSE asokire ye class ke 12 ose form 4 okonyora mwana mongain but sometimes due to panic kwanyora mwana fail na ndo give up asing njobono onye toide baba onye toide matem form 4 that is the start of failure but bro with CBC we need to cure all this
asante sana Moripeto Clinton 844 majorly ya majorly mastery content like umwanafunzi akari class ime we kama stage soria mete exams automatically ne bigatokoboriwa and then in 844 system interaction between the teacher and the student wasn't that close wakurigerere somo roverio yo CBC interaction yo mwalimu gocha so mwanafunzi omwalimu ngwikera ari kiro mwanafunzi nainde kiro mwanafunzi nkoigwara nainde nkororari kyo mwalimu akaraki agokora in 844 umwalimu atene ine motwari tamaityo yo ikaranste megari nkiagenda takokora umwalimu ngasomya ari motwari lakini oyo nonyi karanste class maiga tare wetinki umwalimu ateba toteba umwalimu oyo oso umwana oyo no mutindiar umwana osinyukwe mukyo kabako osinyuko inonyo mwalimu iroraga butinyi bwete lakini when we involve the students in more practicals compared to books ama mastery content practical ekogero umwana umanya nonye talent yayo manye skills chaichire I'm happy that in this CBC twanyora abana bange banyore talent nyinge like plaiting the hair. Talent ogosona chianga ngonyorora no eri ogutara ngonyorora umwana bwatebori ni dubori agosona akagetamba iga inkali chi school cha sikiro konyora umwana nkwegera ariko na komine. It has brought about opening up the mind and getting out of comfort zone. Oyigo muroberio yo CBC ogerira abantu abange bali benkwerora nganga. I don't see me performing. There's an opportunity in performing, like going into vocational training centers. Konyora SME area egasiya magoko. Boigo ngoliere muroberio yo 844. After all, nimesoma, I've mastered. I know the essays, I know biology, maths, everything I know. Na ko dire school back home tima itino anyokoru. Very true. Yeah. Tiba itiko koraga sichianka. Because bona SME nke gocha konkonya. Because back to the village inka umoiboriate tosbie bintu. Abagenia bote tonyenye nkoko. Bote torugo bokima. But I don't know how to do this. Bageni
pari ko degree ya wina
degree ya ne karanse nyo batali negas na nyo. But moroberio yo CBC never ni mbate chi amasakarane. I can as well compare, like during this CBC na SM tinga na bongo korage ntogete na bongo mina. Ni gorere saluni abuna ko mina kinganyere tengende egasigete. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Oyo Julia go gotebanga nabo omorobiro hit fofo nabo morokyo ara konyara ko baga wikirane sukuru anyore masters ya degree ya batka kwira na nkari kijijini tama itukubwata naba nekiburugo. So it's hopefully nga omorobiro CBC no chiko kiwa a lot na kwana kinga we are raising a society ebwate aboriko abo bakinete asenchira ere engia aso gukora bono asenyo twasangira mango mwancho morigeria nabo igobna nachika gukumanya abariki baitombaga ndate kobeka ikambikira ase chinsema asenyo ndo chega nonye Lilian kurwa sensemeria ya South Mugirango nerago tebanga naga ndate kubwateria chisukuru kurwa sensemeyo asa machibwaga ndate gosoka nabo igaba iboria aborokia na aboroki wabaga ndate egochingira machibwa iga asenchira ere engia tigato chake na esa masoko kodra a word of advice which I say about Kwabega, because at the end of the day ngotora tore bari bagoso university ngotora tore bari bagoso TVET ngotora tore bari pataikire neti birango bari baga neti bachi gotwara okukani goko irora abega bange ngo yaso yabara sechi polytechnic and such like your word of advice which has about Kwabega kero bagoso abono in another venture of life.
So kara biamona singing cherry swari ya Clinton, but the other what let's see Julie, you know we read from the same table when it comes to amangana boy child and everything like the other mugwatesi asango kisana that CBC it's more of teaching ya wanafunzi how to be responsibility. It's very practical that okonyoranga bana banga banyaruka banga basomete they have masters, they have degrees, lakini when it comes to responsibility chirichanga they don't meet that. Na indoro chuna wani shwere ya wife
bari weta test ya madailo
ya abuna wano kwanya rosino monto mumuraiga maniga ababwate PhD yae lakini kubwate sirasi tamai sino go kompeta reki tamai esa iga yae na bero merete pake ngitira so nyomba lakini takoreki tamai so CBC is more of responsibility so ngicha series wal kwanya ko kuboni ndinga wase through a word of advice ntagetente bi omwanafunzi wende bwensi udigeretira ntagetente akira abanafunzi alafu ngenda somo igori this is not the end of your life nabora nyoranda ke tuikira ntionyora buna gwatagete lakini you have to accept whatever that comes neba naye kwanyorekana sabari 2829 batanyora machibwa. Be patient because after 30 days nabora yanyore wota yanyore. The word of hope was say waziri anyara ko baga korunko lingaki July every year orionye tobe satisfied usitwe creative rengo video bwate ngori nabo kwera ne skuru you perfect and get what you need. Alternatively, if you cannot continue terminating on oro mwere keko gera you can do anything from where you are. I like Joe. You got everything I got what the minor. But as we are speaking, he has a degree. And that everything God willing in a kara moko
next fitting is Dr. Joe.
Ega kurunga Dr. Joe have what a PhD. I have a live example. I have my lecture on some area as a school. She started from a certificate course. Akagenda diploma, akagenda degree, bono iga akaenda paka masters. She's now in a PhD. What does that tell you? Temi ni tinga wose kwanyore D ya, wose D minor, wose kwanyore wose ne A, C, wose ne C plane. That is not the end of it. You can still make it from where you are. Egere onyore support iri kurwa somo ibori. Asa ibori finally. Tiago chaka ko somero mwana ngambono ko mosomero kunale koragira ngana. Unale kumnyoka ngana paka ogud. That is not a solution. We cannot work on a blame game. We cannot touch on board kwa nyorike. What is the next thing? Onyo mwana kaiwete ngaya tiangirorire nyore something better, good and well. Nito mo betereri. Keria nyorire anchara na tebanga kinya sana ke kwa iro mwana ne. Look on another way. Muranyara ko mogosha no mwana o monyore gento keria utagete anyore kurwa. Igento kyo maripi aba mapema. Ji bari bakwanda chi college and universities. Umuyiburi tiyago tabanga antagete wo munyagitari mwana. Don't force your child kole gento keria takoti atagete. Have a consultative meeting no mwana o onye gatagete motege as to reason as to why na yotagete. You come to a conclusion because you have seen abanafunzi abanga ko ande school ko kore degree yayo tero umuyiburi amasaga matenga bono eneli yawo mate wa tagete. Bona injenta gete gento kiek yetogete. So to avoid such things, isaransa have a consultative meeting no mwana o mwikanenga egentongo chigokora neke na ndo mwa support isenyu. Ase yara otiankora.
Thank you so much. Tikatocha sore Matilda batigaiga Margaret Mukwa nere numuraria agotebanga is enjoying the show. It is so educative. Thank you so much Margaret for watching. Riboria Margaret Mukwa akoboringa asomero video 844 nyego gochiko ikomo erio gochiboso in as much as omwazire natebanga 2027 collaboratory with Form 4s. Erabona kuboringa gochiboso nto chigotwara the universities asomero video OCBC maybe no oro 2027 gochiko ikomo erio. Your word of encouragement kuchia support kwa bega bagenda te ko kanyama chibwa abo bose bari banyora yabo already abega bari buna samwa da biro mete sai na rie oise ko guna rie mo bari akunyora makosa ria gonzi ko maika
ekienda ari gukwana Clinton ngote byo mwancho muriga yose omoro kyo rio koreta matemo na ndo ganyete gusonyorera machibwa eboniga tiego chaka kwerengana no mwana bwejirani gusekero kene koigura abantu nkoiriria atabare koru moinabu na egwa chukurigererie giredi kya onge kogogeti tiego chaka kwerengana no mwana bwo muntu kero kene na bora nyoro muntu akoiriria mono yanyora gose ne D+ singe ncho moibore senegetenga amachibwa ya igo mwana nyorire gose mbuya matemo ya sokire kero kende mba expected na nyora ite wanza we compare una onde bwenzi singe ncho na enkero konyara ori onda tari konyara na inde kwarigereria abaibore una mwateba batige kubitereria abana teo chaka kubitereria mwana onga bono serikali ya tebire gose wizara HCM ya tebire omotinye usaba na nde nabo monta konyara ko kweli ke karasira matemo teo chaka kubitereria mwana irane kwana na abana bakonye tema utange birengereri nabaro abana abake gusabu bakoreta matemo asenye nchikero kurigereri buna boniga mbare babwate stress lakini bataoroki ekero muibori oranyara gwiko mwana ogange nario kumanyanga mentally omwana oiga nabwate omochando onyare kumukwanira sobo imemono erinde omokonye kirago chigochora omunonye kosi ago chigokora osonye gatagete koirane skuru mokonye birengerete ochaka kuruchana no mwana onega nari otagete kumura mogose komote bunaro omoriri gose egesa kwa korubuna kire ekeriria ngana eigo nabo igo gokora kochia ase serikali chibesa chiri chikobwatu kogochia ase chisukuru 48 billion skuru even chiranyora besa skuru yego ne wiki entangani ekoera kwanyora serikali ekonyakorwa chira ase ebonsi bari baranyare gose abarimu abanene kero chibesa chigo chonye ne birasi bigokorwa bikorwango irinda abana bagosa ewiki yende gose ekero chibesa chigo cha chikore memo lakini serikali nere bwata mamocho wikaboni
tiga toja se ore julia sobwango asoko kwanda bari andake barache konyora ribagario konyora andake banyare kuita matemo aiga ena kiora nyara kurobo semi gocha sebare na boiga buri asenge nchume denaro sayo bwate odete ko belo ya lakini nyora buri bate tabo munyakitari maybe nga kiora nyara ko kurobo semi gocha sabare ko
ase aboroki go bari bai go betira matemu bakorera samatemu go batebinga congratulations boigo karoba go chikwenda chi university colleges naende karoba go chikachora chikos au tigamba basogo chore tikakero monta chore kolengana ne omoyo yenga ki grade kina nyore ena waketi nyore plane mbelo ya kabege ento keria nkoro yawe gote mwibuli taba sako convince to the parents they will convince umwana now that you have a teacher in the family, now that you have a doctor in the family, utetoka force mwalimu nga I need yo mwana yo karama temonya ara airplane utetoka mo force nga I need na a lawyer in the family tigo mwana yakole egento keria tetokora because naro tinga kiao chiko geo chiko mokonya sobo mabua naro tinga ki SMI nga kiao chiko emphasize balivo igo ba chiko nyora matemo abo go batebi ayigwa nyora naro ayao.
Thank you so much gago mwancho murigeria no to goikira omweria se omurubiri ga twanyara ko to korentera senchira beno kumurikira onsi ekubwatakana na matemo ya KCSE umako 2024 brand yakundi yako manyege kurwa sensemo yabo basi wikira boni bado chisukuru nchire kigenda te konyora muchando boko nyora machibu abo kurendo mwancho murigeria to skarege kuraga ase MSI kyonga chinsa ibire na inyacho botko bwarero endo chuko manyega onsi hase chisukuru chiri cyanyora machibu abo chiri kitaranyora wikira boni ga aboroko bari bakorre buyana bego chisukuru chiri cyakorre buyiga ebirengerero byaba ibori aborokya nabo igaboroki wabanyene etunyara ko batogo sangaso bwa masabari kibaito bagenda tego sangeria ayonsi mbuya mono Julie Kerubo Matilda Obaigo Asama Miyenda aso gonkonya ko ne kyomo birengo ikironora senchirengia nabo igo Erika Buga kurwa sensemo ya kabere Wilfred Matundrane gatia banda abaringa maiga ye kamera Abigail Nchama nabo igo DJ Atsan ababane kyabuna umurubiro igango ikironora senchira ya bene tukubakira mbuya mono nayo mwancho murigeria aso koira chinga kichago kubwaterio murubiri ga senchira ya bene gendra kutwara margo bengia nabo igo kogendra kubwaterio murubiri gendate ya Getembe TV nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi to merenanda sembe wanya saika wanje
Getembe Television ekionga kyamamugusi ine nubwatu musangerekano urigitiko genda asobwangu nigali egwikia bwangu nandebuya no urigitiko genda ni yamati yao asumuchunde egere uchikwegokya nabamati bao ine nubwate edate utegitiko genda kwa utarabo krega buki ni geroro asingenche yao genda ase smartphone yao ogende Play Store egere o download a app ya buki kroro